Good morning, students. Today class we are going to discuss about the problems based on the concepts what we have discussed. So now I'm going to discuss the very important model of this chapter. So for final examinations, 5 mark question, this is the very important model. They will ask for the question for neutral point or null point. So what is null point is? Null point means what? For example, what is null point of electric field? So the electric field at which point, the net electric field at which point is zero is called null point. Means from that charge, if there are two charges are there, both are identical charges, we get electric field at somewhere between the two charges 0. But potential is not like that. So potential being a scalar, we get a null point between two unlike charges only. Potential for two like charges cannot get potential. Maybe we get at infinity. So we have to observe that we get potential between two charges for unlike charges only. So that is the point you should keep remember your mind, right? So now the question, just see the question that two charges are there. One is 5 into 10 raised to minus 8 coulomb and another one is minus 3 into 10 raised to minus 8 coulomb are located 16 centimeters apart. Now, at what points on the line joining the two charges is the electric potential 0? So that we are going to calculate. Now, let us consider that two charges are there. Yes. Let us take the two charges, one is A, another one is B. The charge at A is considered as 5 into 10 raised to minus 8 coulomb. The charge at B is considered as what? Minus 3 into 10 raised to minus 8 coulomb. These two charges are separated by a distance, how much? 16 centimeters, right? So that is what they given according to the question. Let us assume. So here, while calculating null point, we should calculate the null point near a charge of smaller magnitude. Let us assume that the null point is near to B at a point C, which is at a distance of x from B. So what we consider here, let us consider a null point between where A and B at point C, distance of x from B. Then what is the distance of null point from A? Remaining 16 centimeters minus x. Okay. So we assume that the potential at C is 0. So that what? Net potential VA plus VB is equals to 0 at C. What is VA? VA equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught QA by AC. That equals to what, ma? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught QA is 5 into 10 raised to minus 8 by the distance from A to C is what? 0.16 minus x. Is it right? In the same way, what is the potential at B? Potential at B equals to what? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught QB by BC. That is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught minus 3 into 10 raised to minus 8 by x. So as we said that net potential should be 0. So VA plus VB is equals to 0. That implies 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 5 into 10 raised to minus 8 by 0.16 minus x plus, if we send there, it becomes, okay, minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 3 into 10 raised to minus 8 by x is equals to 0. Send minus term there side. That implies what? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 5 into 10 raised to minus 8 by 0.16 minus x is equals to, it becomes plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught 3 into 10 raised to minus 8 by x. So what are the things get cancelled? See here, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, 10 raised to minus 8, 10 raised to minus 8. Cross multiply, what do you get? 5x is equals to 3 into 0.16 minus x, 316s are 0.48 minus 3x. So you send minus 3x here, what do you get? 8x is equals to 0.48. X is equals to what? 0.06 meters. So where we are getting the null point? At a distance of 6 centimeters from B. So null point is where ma? At a distance of 6 centimeters from B. So in this case we are going to get two null points. What are the two null points? We got one here, that is between two charges, that is near a charge of smaller magnitude. Now one more null point also we get, that is at a distance of some distance away from a charge of smaller magnitude. Understood? So here what is the smaller magnitude? B, right? So let us take, this is two null points we have to calculate. One null point we have to calculate. That second null point will be so where we get the second null point? That is A and B. This is 5 into 10 raised to minus 8 coulombs. This is minus 3 into 10 raised to minus 8 coulombs. So this distance already we discussed, 0.16 meters. We are getting the null point ma? At a distance of, assume that there we consider x na. So let us assume that this is y. That point is D. So we get two null points, one between the two charges and another a point we get near a charge, away from a charge of smaller magnitude. Same procedure. What is the procedure? Net potential should be 0, right? VA plus VB is equals to 0. What is VA? 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught QA by distance is what? AD plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught QB by B into D is equals to what? 0. That implies what is 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught QA? 5 into 10 raised to minus 8 by 0.16 plus y is equals to minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught. This is also minus by y, right? Minus into minus becomes plus. Now again 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught, 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught get cancelled. 10 raised to 8 minus 8, 10 raised to minus also cancel. Again cross multiply. What do you get? 5y is equals to 3.016 plus y. That implies 5y is equals to 0.48 plus 3y. That implies y equals to how much? 0.24 meters. So one between the two charges, another one will away from a sort of smaller magnitude. I will write. So these 2 points you note clear. Neutral point. So what is the neutral point? One neutral point between two unlike charges we get, and second neutral point where you get ma? At a distance away from a charge of small magnitude. Okay, so very important. This surely most of the times if you see 10 question papers, you will get minimum 5 to 6 times this method of question has came in the previous examination. So this question is very important based on the question of what ma? Neutral point. Understood, right? So we get two neutral points where one between the two charges, one away from a charge of smaller magnitude. Don't confuse. Coming to the next question, students. So what is the next question is, see, there is a regular hexagon of side 10 centimeters has a charge 5 microcoulombs at each of its vertices. Calculate the potential at the center of hexagon. So they have taken a polygon. So here they consider a hexagon. So what they have done, the side of each hexagon is what? 10 centimeters. So that at each of its vertices they placed a charge. What is the charge they placed? 5 microcoulombs. Now what they are asking here? They are asking us to calculate what is the potential at the center. So it's not a big deal because potential is a scalar quantity. We can easily make calculation of potential. So let us draw a hexagon first. So let us take a hexagon having sides A, B, C, D, F vertices. All points we place a charge what? 5 microcoulombs. Now all are equidistant from their vertices, right? This distance is also what, ma? 10 centimeters. So what? Now we can easily calculate that potential at O is equals to what? What is the charge on each side? Q is equals to what? 5 microcoulombs. And distances OA is equals to OB equals to OC equals to OD equals to OE equals to OF. That is 10 into 10 raised to minus 2 meters. That equals to what? 10 raised to minus 1 meter. Now, what is the potential at O? VO is equals to what? VA plus VB plus VC plus VD plus V and VF. So potential due to all charges is equals to 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught common, right? QA by OA, QB by OB, QC by OC, QD by OD, QE by OE plus QF by OF. Have you observed all the charges are same and all are equidistant? So how many are there? 6. What is the value of 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught? 9 into 10 raised to 9 into 6 into what is the charge of each one? 5 into 10 raised to minus 6 by distance is 10 raised to minus 1. So 6 5s are 30, 3 9s are 27. So 270 into 9 minus 6 is 3. 3 plus 1, 4. That again can be written as 27 into 10 raised to 5 volts. So this is the potential at the center. So from this what we can write? A shortcut formula also we can frame that. What is that? For a regular polygon having identical charges along its vertices. For regular polygon having identical charges along its vertices, potential at center is V naught is equals to N into 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q by D. What is D? D is distance from where to where, ma? Vertex to center of polygon. Okay. So here we have taken hexagon. So the formula can be written as n is equals to 6. So 6 into 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught into q by d. The same thing we have done here, right? Yes. So if identical charges are placed and are equidistant from center, the formula can be written as v naught is equals to n into 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught q by d. N is what? So if it is hexagon, n is 6. If it is pentagon, n is 5. If it is square, n is 4. So like this you can change. And 1 by 4 pi epsilon q by d. D is what? Distance from not side of the polygon. It is from what ma? Distance from vertex to center of this polygon. Clear? So this is the way to apply the potential due to multiple charges. Is it clear? Yes. Next question. The next question. So what is the next question is, a charge of 8 millicoulombs is located at origin. Calculate the work done in taking a small charge minus 2 into 10 raised to minus 9 coulomb from point P. It lies in where? Z axis to a point Q to a point along Y axis via a point R 0, 6, 9. So here the charges are lies in YZ plane. So let us draw a YZ plane. YZ. So what is the charge present at origin? Charge present at origin is equal to what? 8 millicoulombs. Now, we have taken initially the point lies at where? 0, 0, 3 means the point P 0, 0, 3 centimeters. So, at a distance of 3 centimeters along Z axis through a point R 0, 6, 9 to point war Q040. So we brought a charge from P to R, R to Q. So work done is a conservative force. It depends upon initial and final point. First, let us know that what is the charge at origin. Q naught is equals to 8 into 10 raised to minus 3 coulombs. Charge at P means the charge we are going to carry from one place to another place. What is the charge we are going to carry? Minus 2 into 10 raised to minus 9 coulombs. Now, what is the work done, ma? Work done here, have you observed? There is a charge. This charge exerts some potential at point. Due to the charge, there is a potential at P as well as at Q. So, we are doing work done to move a charge from one point to another point. So, that we can consider as what? Potential difference. So, what is the charge we are carrying here? QP from VQ minus VP. VA minus VB. What is the final potential? VQ to VP. So, W is equal to what, mark? QP into VQ minus VP. Now, as we know very well, what is QP? Minus 2 into 10 raised to minus 9. What is VQ? Potential at Q due to Q naught. So 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q naught by, what is the distance? OQ minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q naught by OP. So calculation, W is equals to what? Minus 2 into 10 raised to minus 9. Here 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught is common. So 9 into 10 raised to 9. Q naught, what is the charge? 8 into 10 raised to minus 3 by distance 4 into 10 raised to minus 2 minus again Q naught 8 into 10 raised to minus 3 by 3 into 10 raised to minus 2. See, minus 9 plus 9 cancel. That implies minus 2 into 9 minus 18 into, you can take minus 2 into numerator becomes what ma? Plus 2 minus 1 aguta. So what happens? 8 into 10 raised to minus 1. Remaining is what? 1 by 4 minus 1 by 3. So 1 by 4 minus 1 by 3. What do you get? If you take LCM, 12. Here 3 minus 4. So what do you get? Minus 1 by 12, right? So W is equals to minus 18 into 8 into 10 raised to minus 1 into minus 1 by 12. 4 2s are 4 3s are 3 1s are 3 6 are. What do you get ma? 6 2s are 12 into minus 1. So minus into minus plus. What is the remaining now? 12 into 10 raised to minus 1. So finally, what is the work done? 1.2 joules. So this is the work done to bring a charge from P to Q via R. So what we done here? Work done is equals to charge into potential difference, because we are bringing the charge from in a plane from one point to another point. That is considered as potential difference. So what is this is work done. So it depends upon initial point and final point. We should not bother about R. So VQ minus VP. What is the charge we are carrying here? Minus 2 into 10 raised to minus 9. What is the potential at Q? Due to Q naught. Potential at P due to Q naught. 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q naught by OQ minus 1 by 4 pi epsilon naught Q naught by OP. So 1 by 4 epsilon if we take outside, 9 into 10 raised to 9. Charge is 8 into 10 raised to minus 3 by 4 into 10 raised to minus 2. So same way here, distance changes. On calculation we got the answer is what ma? 1.2 joules. Understood? Yes. Thank you. Go through these 3 different types of models. These are very, very important questions. So just check it out once again. Thank you.